So welcome to this video today. And today I'm going to be talking about why money is important. And it's really interesting because think about this, right? Money is such an important part of life. Everything we do is all about money. You know, we have to buy food, we have to buy supplies, we have to buy a car, a house, have all the things that we want and need, and it all requires us to use money in exchange for those things. On the rare occasion we might win them or get them given to us or whatever, and that's okay too. But, you know, the majority of our life requires us to use money to get the things that we want. But it's interesting because we've had a little bit of a twisted message about money, that money isn't important, it's greedy to want more money, all of those kind of messages. It astounds me that we have had these kind of messages, right? But then our whole life, literally, all of us really, if you agree, let me know in the comments, our life, revolves around money, and money helps us get the things that we need to survive, and hopefully a little bit more than just survival, right? And so it's really important for you to adopt the belief that money is important, right? Because it is. I want you to see money as a friend, for example, right? Or you see money as you're in a relationship with money, which you are in a relationship with money, because we are in relationship to everything in your life, and money is no different. Now, if you are saying that money isn't important, what's going to happen? It's not going to come into your life as much as you want it. Why? Because you're giving the message to money and the universe that money isn't important to you. It's just not important to me, right? This could be, if you take this in, this could be a major block to you having more money in your life, right? Because you have this belief that money isn't important, and so you end up pushing it away, right? But if you adopt the belief that money is important and really get connected with money and be grateful for money, and I love you, money, come into my life, money, as much as you want, you are important, I'm so grateful to you, I'm so grateful for all that you give me, it's going to want to come in, right? It's like if you're in a relationship with someone, if you were giving it all the love and gratitude and appreciation, the other person would probably want to do more for you because they're being appreciated. Because let's face it, most of us, we want appreciation. And when we are appreciated, we are motivated to do more. And that's the same with money. So the more you appreciate it and tell it that it's important and give that clear signal to the universe that money is important to me, every day I want you to say, money is important to me. I love money. I'm grateful for money. I'm grateful for all that it's given me, right? I'm appreciative of money. And really send that message that money is important, because a lot of us have been told money isn't important, which is just so twisted. Let me know in the comments if you think this is really twisted, right? Because then a lot of us adopt these beliefs that money isn't important. And then we have this struggle with money. So we know we need money to survive, but it's not important. But we need it to survive, but it's not important. That is very confusing for the subconscious mind and the universe, right? So we have to have that clear direction that, hey, you know what? Money is important to me and my life. And then watch it flow in so much more faster. So I want you to let me know in the comments below, is money important to you? Say, money is important to me. right? I love money. I'm appreciative of money. Bring me more money. Who doesn't want that? Let me know in the comments. Do you want more money, right? So, like I said, adopt the belief money is important to me. And when you adopt this belief, it will come into your life so much more quicker and in so much more bigger amounts because you're telling it, you're important to me. And then that relationship between you and money will grow and flourish, and you will be telling me about everything you're manifesting, because money is what comes in usually to then get what we want in this life for our exchange of food, water, electricity, our transport, our holidays, presents, like you name it. Money's there, you know, and it helps us to get the things that we want. So one more time, let me know below, is money important to you? I hope so. Alrighty, I hope this has been good, and let me know if this has resonated with you and if it's helped you shift a little and make a little bit more sense around those mixed messages that you're giving the universe and your subconscious mind. Alrighty, take care and I'll see you all soon. Bye.